Imagine having all the magic of a Christmas tree in your home without taking up any floor space. A wall-mounted Christmas tree can give you exactly that, and it's a trend that's becoming quite popular for its practicality and modern charm. Whether you're working with a small apartment, have limited space, or simply want a fresh, contemporary look, a wall-mounted Christmas tree offers a unique alternative to the traditional standing tree. One of the first things to consider is how creative you can get with a wall-mounted tree. Since it's attached to the wall, you can experiment with different materials, designs, and arrangements. You can go for a minimalist approach with just the outline of a tree made from branches, twigs, or even fairy lights, or get more elaborate with a full, lush artificial tree that's cut in half and fixed to the wall. The beauty of it is that you can personalize it to fit your style, your space, and your Christmas theme. It's also a fun way to try something new, especially if you're tired of the same old tree year after year. One of the most obvious advantages of a wall-mounted Christmas tree is how much space it saves. If you're living in a smaller home or apartment where every square foot counts, having a traditional Christmas tree can sometimes feel like it's taking over your entire living area. With a wall-mounted tree, you don't have to worry about sacrificing valuable floor space. It's perfect for those cozy spaces where a standing tree just wouldn't fit, or for anyone who wants to maintain a more open, uncluttered feel in their home during the holidays. Another great benefit of a wall-mounted tree is that it's incredibly pet and kid-friendly. If you've ever had a pet knock down a tree or worried about a toddler pulling ornaments off low branches, you know how stressful it can be. With the tree mounted securely to the wall, it stays out of reach of curious little hands or paws. It's a much safer option, reducing the risk of accidents, while still allowing you to enjoy the festive look of a Christmas tree. You can place all the delicate or sentimental ornaments higher up, giving you peace of mind that nothing will get broken or ruined. When it comes to decorating a wall-mounted Christmas tree, the possibilities are endless. You might find that because the tree is positioned against the wall, it becomes almost like a piece of art. You could play with textures by adding ribbon, garlands, or even fabric elements, and mix and match different styles of ornaments. You can go bold with bright colors and big ornaments, or keep it more refined with monochromatic tones and minimal embellishments. Since you're working with less surface area, it forces you to think creatively about how to make the tree stand out and become a focal point in your home. And because it's mounted on the wall, you'll likely want to decorate it a bit differently than you would a traditional tree, making it a fun challenge for anyone who loves holiday decor. Speaking of decorating, setting up a wall-mounted tree can be surprisingly easy. You won't have to wrestle with heavy trees, untangle a million string lights, or worry about whether the stand is stable enough. Most wall-mounted trees come in halves or sections that are lightweight and easy to install. Some are as simple as hanging a few hooks and attaching the tree, while others might require a bit more assembly. Either way, it's usually much faster and less labor-intensive than setting up a traditional tree, leaving you more time to focus on the fun part, decorating. A wall-mounted tree can also be a perfect solution for someone who loves the idea of a Christmas tree, but has limited storage space. Storing a full-size tree, especially one with a wide base, can take up a lot of room in your home. A wall-mounted tree, being smaller and sometimes flatter, is much easier to pack away once the holiday season is over. This makes it an ideal option for people living in apartments, condos, or any home with limited storage. One of the less obvious but very cool benefits of having a wall-mounted Christmas tree is how easy it is to integrate it with other holiday decor. Because it's on the wall, it naturally works well with other wall-mounted decorations like garlands, wreaths, or stockings. You can create a whole holiday display that surrounds the tree, making it a centerpiece in a larger scene. This type of display can give your home a very cohesive and polished look, almost like a curated Christmas gallery wall. Plus, you can play with lighting, using soft string lights or even LED strips to enhance the shape and ambience of the tree. A wall-mounted tree can also be incredibly versatile, fitting into a wide range of design styles. Whether your home is ultra-modern, rustic, or traditional, there's a version of a wall-mounted tree that can blend seamlessly into your decor. You can use sleek metallic ornaments for a contemporary feel or opt for natural materials like wood and burlap for a more rustic farmhouse look. Since you have so much control over how the tree is presented, it's easy to tailor it to your home's aesthetic. And the best part is, a wall-mounted Christmas tree can be as simple or as extravagant as you want it to be. You can go all out with layers of garland, shimmering ornaments, and a beautiful tree topper, or keep it understated with just a few delicate lights and subtle decorations. The flexibility allows you to adapt it to your mood or to the specific vibe you're going for that year. Another thing that makes a wall-mounted tree special is how it opens up opportunities for creative holiday layouts. Since it's flat against the wall, it can be positioned in spots where a regular tree would never fit, like in a narrow hallway, above a fireplace, or even as a festive focal point in the kitchen or dining room. You can also use it to highlight certain areas of your home that are typically overlooked, giving your decor a fresh new twist. And because it's not taking up floor space, you have more room to place additional holiday decorations around the room without feeling cluttered. For those who enjoy doing holiday crafts, a wall-mounted tree can be an amazing DIY project. You could create your own version using natural elements like pine branches, or you could get crafty with wooden slats, string lights, and handmade ornaments. It's a great way to personalize your holiday decor while spending some quality time making something unique. You could even get the family involved, making it a fun activity to kick off the holiday season. And let's talk about lighting. One of the most striking aspects of a wall-mounted tree is how you can play with light to create a stunning effect. You can line the edges of the tree with fairy lights to define its shape, or drape them throughout the branches to give it a soft, glowing look. The lights not only highlight the tree itself but also cast a warm, cozy glow across the wall, adding to the overall ambience of the room. If you want to make the tree really stand out, you can even use color-changing lights or special LED effects to bring a bit of magic to your display. For those who like to rotate between different themes each holiday season, a wall-mounted tree offers an easy way to switch things up. You can change the decorations year after year without having to overhaul your entire setup. One year you could go for a snowy, winter wonderland theme with frosted ornaments and silver accents, and the next year you might want to try a bold, colorful look with bright ornaments and playful decorations. The tree becomes a canvas for your creativity, allowing you to express your holiday style in new and exciting ways. In terms of eco-friendliness, a wall-mounted tree can be a great option as well. Many of these trees are made from recycled materials or are designed to be reused year after year. If you're someone who wants to reduce their environmental footprint during the holiday season, opting for a wall-mounted tree instead of cutting down a real one might feel like a step in the right direction. And because they're often smaller and use fewer materials, wall-mounted trees can be a more sustainable option compared to a full-sized artificial tree. In the end, a wall-mounted Christmas tree offers a modern, space-saving, and stylish alternative to the traditional standing tree. It's perfect for small spaces, safe for homes with pets or young children, and allows for a lot of creativity in terms of design and decoration. Whether you want to try something new this holiday season or simply need a more practical solution, a wall-mounted tree could be just what you're looking for to bring festive cheer into your home. If you made it this far, first of all, I hope that the ideas we give you help inspire you to create new Christmas decorations for your home. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive the best decorative content immediately.